Let me get sitting down here. How's everyone doing? I'm Beth Carrera, the crazy cat lady. Guess what we're going to be doing tonight for Vlogoween? Haunted house. So we're going to be doing our haunted house today. So I got this haunted house at AC Moore's. If you don't know, I know it's up here in New England, but I got it at AC Moore's. It is difficult, I'm telling you, difficult to find these this year. I don't know why it is so difficult, but it is. I looked in Target, Walmart, but usually they have a whole mess of them. They never sell out. So I think it was 3 left, and these were $7.99. So I got a good deal. So we're going to be making this together. So how's everybody's weekend going so far? I did try to go out to a farm, but it was a no-go. Oh, these are so cute. They even have little trees. This is, let me read it. Look at how cute. It's pre-packaged with the trees and everything. And this has, what is this? It feels soft. Maybe the frosting, I'm assuming. Oh, look at it. These have little tiny candy cane. Oh, I know what these are. I remember these when I was a little kid. They have the bigger ones, the twist candy. And then it comes with little gumdrops, these little balls. It comes with a black frosting or gray frosting, and something else. I'll read the directions. I'm just taking everything out. Piping bags, and then some other type of soft. I think this might be the stuff you put it together. So let's read the directions. Okay, so this is a chocolate cookie kit. Ooh, it's not gingerbread, it's actually chocolate. Ew. So we have a chocolate, okay, so there is a black frosting, and I think these big ones, black and orange. So right here, you have the black and orange. You have the candies, and look at how adorable this is. I'm telling you right now, I try to be artistic. I really, really, really do. But, your girl, Beth? Yeah, it's not going to look like the picture. So, let's read the directions. Okay, so let's put this over here for now. Actually, let's move over our furry friend to over here. And we can put this over here so we can see what it's supposed to be looking like. There we go. Holy crap. Okay, I'm not even going to read the directions. So let me get into this. So this, I'm just going to use a regular knife for this. So let's snip the bag. I don't want to be too much. So I snip the bag to try to fit one of these in. And I always curl the bag up. Oh, not enough, so I have to snip more. Takes time to get used to doing this. I haven't used these cake decorating tools. And you put this on the outside and then screw this together. So let's see what kind of color, what's going on in this bag. And I do have this. So you have to be prepared when you do all this stuff. So you're not going to make a mess, but Even if I'm prepared, that don't mean that. Oh, this is orange. See, they don't give you a lot. It looks like a lot, but look at it. They don't even give you a lot. So let's put this frosting in one of the shingle ones. So you want to kind of try not to make a mess. That's why you and I'm using the spoon, so I'm hoping it will help with the mess factor. Don't want to waste any frosting because they don't give you a lot as it is. Okay, let's put in the other frosting. So I have the orange all set, so now we're going to put the black in. So I'm going to snip this. Had to take a quick pause because my battery died. So now this is black. Well, this looks like I have a lot more in there. Black. So let's dish this out. Okay. So I don't know how. Comment below, what did you do today on Saturday? Today was a beautiful day here in New England. We had beautiful weather. I know in Connecticut anyway. So what did you do? Did you go to any farms? Pumpkin patches? What do you call it there? Fright Fest or that type of stuff. I won't be able to put it all in one shot because I really want to go to the haunted graveyard in Bristol. They have that at Lake Compounds. Really, really cool. So, all right. So the next order of business. I'm thinking this is for decorating purposes. I don't know what this is. I need to open this up. Oh, these are like flat for the shutters. It's kind of like a flat sheet of like taffy-ish something. Oh, okay, I'll leave that there. Right there. Let me put in the frosting in this other bag. Oh no, I'm sorry, I don't need it in a bag. Because it looks like here I need to like just slide it on there. So let's take this apart. And I like it, the last time I built any type of house, the gingerbread house, for some odd reason oh look at how cute. This is a chocolate cookie tree. Got 2 cookie trees. This something. Oh, this is like a gravestone. Whoa. Okay. So this looks like the front and the back of the house. All right. I'm gonna probably put this over here on the side. Cross our fingers that this comes out good. So here's all of our pieces. I'm believing that this is like you have to put it like this and then build around it with these pieces. So let's start off with gluing this on here. So I'm just gonna glue a strip on here. See if I let it seal. I'm using my hands. I want this to come out really good. Seems like it wants to not. Stay there. Ah!
Just as I receive, measure around cold. Watch what happens to Aaron in the basement. Oh, it just got cold around me. It's a little kid. This is how he is over here. Violence that got cold and I'm not kidding you.
So let's just do it. This way. So I'm just putting it where I think I need it to hook it together. Oh no, you know what? I need some on the bottom too. I'm putting it everywhere. All right, we're back. We're gonna try to, I did get it together. So we're gonna try to decorate this house. So the first thing I'm gonna do is try to make shingles, like. This is a very challenging. See, what I'm gonna do is decorate right away. Using some of these for the roof and even these. Because I want to make like a rocky roof. Alright, so I'm going to put a few beads. Put the beads on top. Oops, I'm gonna have to go get some. These things are. Oh, Chloe. Uh-oh, Kitty's coming. Not feeling stable. Alright, so I'm gonna put some of these spice drops on here. And I'll turn it around when I'm done. Or actually I do have a piping thing, so let me see. I'll use this. So let me, no. I'm gonna need every frosting I can get. Because I still need to make some windows. I'm hoping that I could, the trees and stuff, but my main concern is doing the haunted house itself. I wanted to make the whole shebang, but this is very, oh no, see? One slight move, okay? I want you guys to see it. Torture it more. I'm gonna hold it. Apparently it's not gonna stand up. It was, it has a lot of frosting. So this is the main thing. It keeps falling apart. But I got it standing for a while there. So this is the finished project. It's a little crazy, but it's done. So this is it, folks. This is our crazy haunted house. So thank you for bearing with me on this, putting this thing together, which it's slowly collapsidizing. So I hope you enjoyed this, and it's like great. I don't care. So eat it. Come on, eat it. Okay. We're done. That's it. And we have all these other pieces. But I'm telling you right now, this one is very hard to put together. Tell me in the comments below if anybody put this one together. If anybody finished it. Because I had a hell of a time putting this thing together.